My name's Jacob, I'm 23 years old from Sydney, Australia, and this is my bike check. Alright, starting from the top, we've got ODI grips, Odyssey brake lever, Colony 30" by 9.5 rise, Colony stemmer detangler plate, all Odyssey brake lines, down to Colony dagger forks, running a 36 spoke front rim, I think stolen Rampage. Going down the bike now, I've got at the moment a 20.75 fit Dakota Roche signature, animal seat post with an Odyssey seat pedals, Tom Dugan specials, black and purple grandstands made by Odyssey, shadow fluoro yellow crank, stolen 23 tooth sprocket running jet fuel Sol Plus Pro chain half link, brake calipers Mankind and jet fuel. Down to the back wheel, today I'm running Odyssey 48 spoke triple wall